Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into everything you need to know about the upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro. We'll talk about its rumored features, when it's expected to drop, and how it compares to older models like the Mini 4. By the end of this review, you'll have a clear idea of what to expect from the Mini 5 Pro and whether it's the right drone for you. If you're into drones or just curious about this next-gen tech, stick around, you won't want to miss this. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest drone news. It only takes a second, and you'll be the first to know when we post new videos just like this one. Now let's jump right into what makes the DJI Mini 5 Pro such a buzzworthy release. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to launch in December. That's right around the corner, and the excitement surrounding this release is growing. If you've been following the Mini series, you probably know that each model brings something new to the table. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to have some serious upgrades that could make it the best Mini yet. So, if you've been waiting for a new drone to upgrade to, this one might just be worth the wait. The Mini 5 Pro comes with some exciting upgrades that are sure to impress both new and experienced drone enthusiasts. First off, the camera system. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to feature a 4K camera that shoots at 60 frames per second. This is a huge improvement over the previous models, especially the Mini 4, which maxed out at 2.7K. The ability to shoot at 4K 60 means smoother, higher quality video that's perfect for everything from travel vlogs to professional video shoots. Whether you're capturing fast-moving action or cinematic footage, this upgrade is a game changer. Another major upgrade is the battery life. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to offer up to 35 minutes of flight time. That's an extra 5 minutes compared to the Mini 4, which only had 30 minutes. This may not sound like a huge difference, but every extra minute counts when you're up in the air trying to get that perfect shot. Longer battery life means you can fly for longer without constantly worrying about swapping batteries, which is a huge plus for anyone planning to take the drone on longer outdoor adventures. And let's not forget about the enhanced obstacle avoidance system. With more sensors and better detection, flying the Mini 5 Pro will be safer and easier. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, this feature adds a level of security and confidence when flying in tight or challenging areas. It's a huge benefit for those who want a safer, hassle-free flying experience. While the Mini 5 Pro has a lot of impressive features, it's not without its drawbacks. One of the main cons is the price. As with any upgrade, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to come with a higher price tag. If you're just getting into drones or you're on a budget, the Mini 5 Pro might feel a little pricey compared to entry-level models like the Mini 2 or Mini Southeast. Additionally, while the 4K camera is an upgrade, it still might not be on par with more expensive drones such as the Mavic Air or Air 2. So, if you're looking for the absolute best in camera quality and performance, the Mini 5 Pro may fall short compared to these higher-end models. To wrap things up, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a fantastic upgrade for anyone in the drone market. With its impressive 4K camera at 60s, longer battery life, and enhanced obstacle avoidance system, it's clear that this drone is designed to offer an excellent flying experience for both beginners and more experienced pilots. Whether you're using it for casual travel vlogs or professional video shoots, the improvements in camera performance and flight time will definitely make your footage stand out. That said, the higher price point may be a concern for beginners or those on a tighter budget, and the camera, while improved, might not quite match the quality of more expensive models like the Mavic Air or Air 2. But overall, if you're looking for a compact, feature-packed drone that offers great value for its price, the Mini 5 Pro could be the right choice. So, is the DJI Mini 5 Pro worth the wait? If you're after a reliable, high-performance drone that offers significant upgrades over older models, it's definitely worth considering. Whether or not it's the perfect fit for you depends on your budget and your specific needs, but for many, this next-gen Mini could be exactly what they've been waiting for. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed the review, and don't forget to subscribe for more drone updates and reviews. See you in the next one.